Hello everyone, I'm Hiba and welcome. Today I'm going to be drawing Loak and Tsireya from Avatar The Way of Water. Avatar is my all-time favorite movie, but I've only drawn Jake and Neytiri. So this year's goal is to draw more Avatar characters because I love Avatar and I want to draw them so bad. So today finally we can draw Loak and Tsireya, my two favorite characters. And this is the reference I'm going to be using. This drawing is made by another artist. I don't know her name, but I'll tag her Instagram ID here so you guys can check her out. She makes some amazing art. Look at this piece, guys. Like, it looks so cute. And yeah, I'm so excited to draw this. And before we get started, look at this cute keychain I bought, guys. I love this keychain. She's Nezuko from Demon Slayer, and I love her so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching me draw. Okay, so finally I finished my drawing and I think it turned out so cute. But it's not complete until we make a matching spread for this drawing. So now I'm gonna make a matching spread and I'm gonna recreate this scene. But I'm not gonna draw them. I have this amazing idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put blue paint on my hand and then print my hand on the paper. Then on the hand, I'm gonna write I see you. Because Loak has 5 fingers and like they were talking about Outcast and how he has 5 fingers and stuff like that. And then Tsireya says, I see you. So I think this idea is so cute and I don't know how I got it. It's so amazing. I'm so happy I did though. So yeah, we are gonna recreate that scene and then we're gonna add some cute avatar stickers all over and make it look more nice and cute and stuff. So yeah, let's make our matching spread. And obviously we're gonna cover this ugly spread with that amazing spread that we're gonna make. And I'm so excited.